goodness. Careful. Oh my gosh. What is the matter with you guys? They act half terrified. Came in to check on everyone, and I was a little worried about Kernals. She's just down here trying to get eggs. I don't think to eat because she's got this one tucked up under her. I'm gonna take these so you can go about and have a good day. What you got to say? Got the hay feeder back up this morning and filled with hay. Let's go see if the cows obeyed for last night. You guys stayed in! Thank you so much! Good thing I doubled it because I only got one ring on there. Atlee, why are you always trying to be bad? Have a good day, Atlee. You too, Bridget. Good morning. Good morning, Dove. Think they need your itches? There you go. Thank you. Good morning, Ember and Harlow. Yeah, I see. Somebody didn't clean up after themselves last night. Good morning, Silkies. No. Instantly trying to go to Dumbledore. Why are you all getting so brave? Go. We got Dumbledore's food refilled. He's still doing okay. His comb looks like it's scabbed up a little bit. Giving Shadow and Dwayne a refill. Apparently Dwayne's belly's hungry this morning because he won't even let me get it out. You gonna get yourself some too, Shadow? Good morning, bunnies. Thank you for making a big mess for me to clean up. Ready for some breakfast? Comes breakfast, girls. Here's your breakfast, honey. It's a pretty windy day. Cold front's coming in, so that means tomorrow's gonna be a lot colder. We're just praying that none of the wind knocks down any more dead trees because I don't want to be outside fixing a fence when it's freezing cold. Cows are revolting when their hay gets out. That's not very nice. I'm guessing it was you, Miss Atlee. We got the girls some more hay. Honey's getting some love before Lana cleans her stall. So we're a little bit worried about Dumbledore. He has eaten some of his food today, so I know he can find food and water, but both of his poor little eyes are swollen shut. So we got a warmer in here for him that he can lean up against to stay warm, and I guess it's to be expected to have swollen shut eyes when you got beat up pretty bad, so we'll just keep an eye on him. Honey's contemplating his escape. Hallie's sitting on the warmer. Looks like cleaning herself. We got new bedding and some more hay in there for the girls. Molly's having herself a snack. And Felicity's tearing up their new castle. We also got Dwayne and Shadow some more feed and some new water. I just got the cow wagon cleaned. Now we're gonna go ahead and go try and get the chickens cleaned up real quick. Here we go in the big coop. So I got the coop cleaned. I've decided I'm not gonna use the feed bags under the roosting bars anymore. It's just, without a hose, I don't necessarily feel like it's any more sanitary than just using what's under or scraping it off the floor. Now, when it does get warmer this spring, we're going to get some stall mats to put along the floor so that it's a smoother surface and things will scrape off of it easier. This flooring has lots of grooves in it, so that's something. I was just worried it wasn't super sanitary, but since I can't get the feed bag super clean, we're kind of at the same spot. We also will move this bar right here up higher, so it'll be easier to get the shovel under. But until then, we're just gonna have to keep struggling and get it done. Now we'll go ahead and collect some eggs. No eggs under her. Sorry. The cord the girls always jump up and knock down was this one here. So what I went ahead and did was, there's a little brace here for the roof, and so I zip tied it to it so it's a lot closer to the wall, and then it runs along the ceiling and then attaches there. So hopefully that won't be a problem anymore, and everyone will stay nice and warm and the waters will stay thawed. Because it is supposed to get super cold again, I went ahead and brought out the water heater, so hopefully tomorrow I won't have to bring water in and out multiple times during the day. The snow that's supposed to be coming, or ice, has started, and the only two in the bantams still outside are the two who really shouldn't be out here. It's starting to look awful wet. Felicia and Reese, you should go back in. I don't think they're going to appreciate it, but we're going to get this coop clean too. I'm assuming that Kernal can't get out on her own. You made a bad choice, sister. Can I help you? I don't even know how to get her out. Oh, there she goes. Bad choice. Apparently she ate some eggs while she was in here and made a really big poo. Got the coop clean. Now we're going to collect some eggs. Apparently knocking the hay feeder over when it's empty is the thing that we do now. So I'm gonna set it back up and get them some more hay before bedtime. I tricked Atlee and threw some hay over the fence so that she wouldn't try and knock the bale out of my arms when I came in. Now I got the bale into the feeder. They're all getting their bellies full. I'm bringing Dwayne and Shadow in some mealworms as a little treat. Keep those feathers growing, extra protein. I'm also bringing some into Dumbledore. I don't know if he'll be able to see him, but hopefully he'll be able to smell. Oh, that eye. One of his eyes looks a little bit better. There you go, buddy. So hopefully he'll get to feeling better. I'll help grow back some of those feathers. While I'm out here, I'm checking on the girls. I'm a little bit curious to where Molly is, so I'm gonna go in and see. Here she is. She was either hiding under their house or behind it, because I looked behind the house and all of a sudden she was here. So don't know where she had been, but she's back now. Hey, little sister. Silky boys are inside of the doghouse. Looks like they waited for a little while, so they all look pretty wet and snow covered, but they're out of the wind now. We brought Harlow in already. She's getting her bottle while we get cups of feed ready for the big cows, and then we'll let them all in. So the cows broke in before I could get all their cups of feed. So now we're gonna try and get them all in. All right, Leva got Bridget in. Atlee's trying to flip Dumbledore, so we're having to fix that. Lennox is getting Ember in. Lennox is getting Dove in. Laban's getting Atlee in. Ember's got her treats now. Luca's giving Harlow her treats. Laban and Lennox got the Silkies in. Everyone's a little worked up tonight, it sounds like. I don't know if it's because of the hose, but we've blow dried the cows before when everyone's been in here. This is Harlow, post blow dried. Harlow! Ember after her blow dry. Gonna give the girls their evening treats. Here you go, Felicity. Here, Hallie. Felicity always runs over to the edge, away from everyone else to make sure hers stays with her. Here's your treat, honey. Laban just accidentally dropped the hose. So poor Atlee is covered in bedding and has to pretty much start all over again. Sorry, Atlee. Lennox is waiting for her turn with the blow dryer to work on tricks with Dove. Good girl, Dove. Here's Atlee after her blow drying session. Bridget after hers. Here's Dove, her post blow dry. The bantams are all on the roost. We had one egg to collect. Now it's time to say goodnight. Good night, guys. The ducks are still on patrol. They'll go in their door. Go on in the door. Oh, good girl. Can you go Good girls. I still like to come in and check on everyone. Everyone's on the roost. We've got a few more eggs to collect. We'll see you girls in the morning. It's been a cold and wet day here at Mud Run Meadow, but now everyone's tucked into their stalls or cages. Everyone's had their evening treats. Everyone's been blow dried and brushed and cuddled. So now it's time for everyone to have sweet dreams. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.